Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Patreon to PayPal in 2026. So if you want to receive payouts or manage payments more easily, this will walk you through it step by step. First, log in to your Patreon account and go to your creator dashboard. From there, open the settings menu and look for the payout or earnings section. Next, choose PayPal as your payout method. You'll see an option to connect an existing PayPal account. Click it and you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Now sign in to your PayPal account. Make sure you use the correct email address where you want to receive payments. After logging in, approve the connection request. Once approved, go back to Patreon and confirm that PayPal is now set as your active payout method. After that, it's important to verify everything. Check your payout settings, make sure your country and currency match, and confirm there are no pending verification steps. If you don't see PayPal working, try clearing your browser cache or switching devices. Sometimes the connection needs a fresh session to activate properly, so a quick refresh can help. Also, double-check your PayPal account status to make sure it's verified and able to receive payments without restrictions. This usually takes just a few minutes to set up, but in some cases it may take a little longer depending on verification. And finally, test your payout settings or wait for your next scheduled payout to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected PayPal to Patreon. Now your earnings will be sent directly to your PayPal account without any extra steps. Hey everyone.